version of GEMDAS, and we always started with addition and subtraction, and then we got to multiplication and division. Today, I want to try to subtract 8. What's the problem if I tried to subtract 8 from this? What looks kind of different from yesterday? There's one thing about this problem that I did not see, Colin. There's a division bar. I cannot subtract the 8 until I unlock this division bar. I need the division bar to go away. I can't just in the middle of this thing put a -8 because it's kind of being blocked. So if you have a division bar that goes across the whole thing, that is the only time that we kind of tweak the rules of Pyramid of GEMDAS and we start with multiplication. I'm going to multiply both sides by -2. When I do that, let's see if it unlocks it. My goal is to get that p plus 8 by itself. 4 to paper 04. I just multiplied by -2. Why did I put it as -2 over 1, Sunny, on the left side? Say it again, louder. I did flip it because I want to do the reverse, but why would I put a fraction on the left but a whole number on the right? Cool?
Because the one on the left is a fraction.
You guys see that? How it's set up differently. And the fraction, it's easier for me to cross cancel with another fraction. So we can make it into a fraction by putting a 1 and cross it out. What's the only thing now that's on the left side? What's the only thing on the left side left, Charlotte? I have a 1, a 1, a 1, and a. Yeah, so p plus 8 is left. I just unlocked the 8. It is not under or above a -2. So this is what I wanted. 10 times -2 is -20. You now have a one-step equation. John, back to your seat, please. Okay, you can move to the right. Get your packet and pencil. -8. I would do the same thing. I hate spiders. It's fine. John, do you need a new packet until I can help you out? You got it? He's fine. You're okay. Just head there. Spider. We almost died. Yeah, I'm trying to see the spider. Okay, back to the board. 3, 2, 1. So I have a p plus 8 equals -20. If I have one more step to go, I'm going to do the opposite of the 8, which is a positive 8 on the left, so you subtract 8 on both sides. 4 to paper real fun. Brody, you get there. P is by itself, and I have a -20 minus an 8. Let's show it some scratch work so I see what's happening. Do these band or fight, Jeffrey? Band or fight? They band together and they become a bad guy 28. Let's try one more together and then I'll let you try one on your own. M minus 13 over 2 equals -8. Everything in me wants to add 13 to both sides, but I can't do it. Why can't I add 13 for this type of problem? Think about it. Think about what we just did. There was one main reason I can't add 13. Hendrix, why can't I do that for this problem? I want to start with multiplying 2, and the reason I can't add the 13 is because the 2 is kind of locking it in. If you have a whole fraction bar, I have to get rid of the 2 first. Multiply 2 by 2 over 1, and by 2 on the right side. Preston, simplify the left side for me. Can I cross cancel anything? And what's the only thing left over, Preston? Good. What about the right side, Sunny? What do I have left here? It's negative 16. Cool. Last step, Evelyn, what should I do to get m by itself? Like that? Okay. Abraham, what's left on the left side? And what about the right side?
Negative 13. No. Negative 9.
Agree with this? Silent yes. If you have a different option, silent no. Is the answer negative 9? Agree. John, what's your option? Negative 16 and a positive 13. They fight. Bad guys win. I agree with that. How many are left over? Okay. A or B. Votes. Get an answer ready and show me. 1 for A, 2 for B. Do you agree with 1 or 2? Charlotte, need to see an answer. Row 3. Most of us are going with the second one. And do you agree, Abraham? Do you see our blunder? Probably like the 6 and the 3 threw us off, and maybe we added to a 9. That'd be my guess. Yeah. M equals negative 3. That is your answer. You try this one in the next minute. Rewrite it over here. And solve it on your own. Did you get 21 or 2? Start on bronze. Start on bronze. Start on bronze. I forgot actually. If I just told you to start on bronze, don't start yet. Get a lined piece of paper out and look on the board. There you go. Okay, sit down for just a second. I'll actually pass out the paper, Cullen. Have a seat. Track the board, help me out. My first step for the you try would be to do what, Baron? What's my first step when I have a problem that looks like this?
You do 5/1 times x.
Good. That's going to unlock the x plus 8 and then make a 10 on this side. Subtract 8 on both to get x by itself. If you got x equals 2, you got the right answer. I checked a few of you off and told you to go to bronze. I forgot that I want you to do one quick thing. For bronze, you have 5, 10, 15 minutes left to work independently. I'm going to have you rate yourself for now on those problems and on yesterday's work. If you're a 1 or a 2 or a 3, I'm going to have you do something a little bit differently. If you're a 4 or a 5, I'm just going to have you roll straight into practicing on your own. You're going to get a piece of lined paper. Raise your hand if you need one. And you're going to write today's classwork, which is 4-8 CW at the top. You guys have one? 4-8 CW.